Viewing your existing bookings in EXO Connect is very easy. Once you have logged in, click My Bookings in the Online Bookings submenu of the main menu. You will then see a list of all bookings you have made online through EXO Connect. This list can be filtered using the search form above, and you can click any column heading to sort the list by that column. Click the booking name of any booking to view its details. When viewing a booking, you can also click any hotel or service name to see the details of that service in a pop-up window. You can also see the details of the service booking by clicking any of the details links next to the service lines. A booking summary document and a pro forma invoice for the booking can also be downloaded in PDF format by using the buttons at the bottom of the page. Any service can be cancelled from here, or you can cancel the entire booking by clicking the Cancel Booking button. And that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us on exoconnect@exotravel.com.